So today I want to introduce to you our new planner, Sidekick and Traveler's Notebook in the gorgeous olive color. And it has a gold splatter, like metallic pattern on there. It's absolutely gorgeous. The design is created by Ilse. So again, planner, Sidekick and Traveler's Notebook. And when you open it, it has a beautiful taupe color inside. Absolutely love this one. And you know, it's just gorgeous. And look how it looks together. Like, I have it on my shelf already at home. Like 1, 2, 3. And then like this. Looks so cool. So cool. So again, the olive in the planner, Sidekick and Traveler's Notebook. Hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel.